about my weekend trip. Well, it was going well until I took a sip. A line outside the club, well, it made me wish that I was stuck in chips. So that's where I went. And I don't really know if I could say this part, so I'ma start with this is all alleged. But I met a couple friends of mine at Fontainebleau, and that's when it all went south. There were lipstick stains on empty glass, chase thrills that'll never last. Shouldn't try, but I'm on the gas. And trust me, it wasn't worth nothing.